Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So yesterday there was a nice good post I made. When he or she asks you for money, SHIB, enter at 1078, exit at 2000. Enjoy, babe. Right? So if you like that little bit of an information, come on Discord, click on the top right of the video and drop a heart for me, okay? It's going to be really, really nice to do that. Now, why do I say 2000? So SHIB is trading at 1368, and if you told Babe to enter at 1070, I think she's already 28%, or he's 28, 34, 35%. Now, even more is about to come, and the reason more is about to come is because SHIB probably has a rounded bottom, and I've made a video 2 days ago talking about a rounded bottom as your setup. So if we actually break this, which we have already done, we should actually be able to continue from the top to the bottom right there, and it takes you nearly to that 2000 region or 2200. Okay, now there is a little bit of a small problem though, because we have this one line here that has acted as a very heavy resistance before. So if SHIB does actually get rejected again, that would be very, very bad, which I highly doubt, because now Bitcoin is probably going to be pushing up to $68,000, which paves the path for SHIB to probably break above and continue. Dogecoin is also on a move. All the dogs are actually pretty great right now, okay? It's funny enough I'm saying all the dogs. Yeah, but that's true. All the dogs are actually jumping right now. So SHIB is jumping, Dogecoin is jumping right now. And you do know, and if you don't know, now you know that I do hold a lot of Doge. I do hold SHIB. We love SHIB. And yeah, so if we kind of break above here now, and I'm going to turn off the log scale. So if you do break above 1528 and stay above it, I think the next technical target for SHIB is coming from there to there, and we could be looking to break out of this very big consolidation and move up to 2408, and that's going to do wonder. Now for me personally, I've been entering SHIB down at nearly 800 and 750, so I do believe that that's going to be 200%. But the caliber of the coin that SHIB is, I highly doubt if 200 is going to be the target. Now, I want to do a long-term price prediction, because I kind of think that a lot of people say that there could be chances of SHIB going to 1 cent. But I want to use the fibs to kind of see where it goes. Now if I do place very simple SHIB from this previous all-time high to the bottom of the bear market previously back in June, then I think we could be looking at a 1.272 being your top right over here. So that actually takes it to 18,324. Now that means that when you break 8,000, going to 18,000 is not a big deal. That's almost like a 2x to go to nearly 18,000. So 2x is going to be like 16,000, and you have 18,000, so maybe a 2.2x. But if you break 8,000, and let's say you even go 5x, maybe you do have good chances of pushing it up to 47,659. Could be possible. You know, this is 8,000. Now, if you go from 8,000 and continue higher, because remember, there are some people who entered SHIB back at the all-time high. They're also looking to sell SHIB. And if they're going to enter at 8,600 just to sell it at 18,000 for what, 200% profit, doesn't make sense. But at least if they actually push it up to 47, or maybe even 27,000 or 30,000, that could be pretty decent for people who entered here, and even excellent for the people who entered down here. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.